Really, Jay?
Whipping.
Oh, Mike, you're down.
Take the mag out.
There's no questions. You just do what I say or you don't do anything at all. There's no negotiating. I mean, we could just shoot you right now. You don't have to worry about anything. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. You give him a pat down. Alright, we're going to send somebody out to give you a pat down.
My hands aren't touching anything.
Up against the wall.
Oh god.
So what kind of money you got? How much?
All that I could be willing to trade right at the moment. I'm going to need a little bit to survive later.
I found his Viagra, Josh. He was trying to poison him.
Alright.
My speed loader is in my backpack. Like I only have one hand, so I'm gonna try to. Oh, wait, Thunderbait.
He's got full field.
Good eyes. All right, creep up over it. Does it work?
Got one shot.
Find anything?
Nope.
Are you lying?
Nope. Come on, they'll think he maybe reloaded it.
They're searching somebody. Look what it is. What's up, buddy?
Might be able to trade.
Might be able to trade.
Water.
You ain't got shit.
Huh?
You ain't got shit.
I mean, come on.
Alright.
That's from water. We can trade, motherfucker, same time. We don't know each other.
I thought you were just giving me something. What do you
No, I
want?
want to trade. Give me some food and some water, damn it.
You want food and water?
Both of them. I got two bullets.
For 122 round?
I got two.
Alright.
Both.
Alright, I'll give you that. Alright, that's worth it.
I need a food and a water.
So you want one food, one water?
One food, one water.
Think about seeing if I can sneak my dirty water. Alright, man, open your bag. I'll throw your food and water in.
I want to see them first.
Right here.
Why is it toxic?
Is that what you get?
Alright, I'll give you a better water.
I'll grab it
first. I'll grab the better water.
No, give him 2 toxics.
No, you do.
That's what he took from me. Because it was in my bag anyway.
What about some BBs? You need to buy some BBs?
That was
Not
good.
no
That
more.
was, yeah, that was smart of you.
Don't see me, man.
No one shot you.
Huh?
No one shot you.
Not yet.
What are you up to?
Got
Drugs.
food. Trades and shit.
Wasteland later.
I give you shit for shit.
If you find bottle cap, I give you everything.
Hey, I'm on no one's side. I help everyone.
These crazy Russians. You need to. I know where to get one.
Hey, food or water? Toxic stuff.
Maybe the military has it.
There's a code for the embassy. Did you say it was not too far away?
Or the D80.
Not too far away. It's written on the suitcase.
Cover me now.
Anything? No, that's why I'm trying over here to find. We just had to give him
Matt, it's a death trap.
I already gave you what I had, by the way. I saved your life. Don't forget that.
Where's your buddy?
He's back trying to find stuff on the other side. He came back over here to try to look again. Yeah, food you have in your hand right there? Yeah, that came from, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Nor you need water. You both need food and water. You did some killing.
What did I give you?
You gave me food.
Yo, stop being fucking behind me, yo. Me? No, I was actually gonna go talk to them. I don't trust that.
Right behind you. You got any food? Nope. Huh? You got any water? Nope. I have actual water. You can get out through this way. Go.
Actually, hit my sword.
You sure?
That's the only one I got on me.
Hands out.
What happened, Josh?
This guy, we let him in. And he was all friendly. We tried to act like our friends, and then we caught him stealing shit.
What'd he steal?
Well, he tried to reclaim his pistol, and he could have possibly taken us all out with it. So now we gotta make an example of him. So get down here on your knees right now.
That's for last year.
Very nice.
I got a water.
Two water and just one.
I got food and water.
How much time do we got left?
No, each of you need a water. Lloyd's good.
I need a water. Someone better get him.
That gate, stop that gate. Oh, slip. Hey.
Stop. Everybody. Alright, proceed forward. If you come forward, drop your weapons.
You got eyes? Stop. Anybody else got a gun on him? Am I the only one with a gun on him? No, great.
I'll keep an eye on them, that's about it.
Alright, give him a Springer. Let's go, armory. Stop.
Scotchy's drunk.
Did you get a prisoner?
Yep.
I say we give him guns, ammo, and supplies if he can hit a target within 3 shots.
Well, I say I was gonna make him dual Ronnie, and if you want, we'll load him up and send him out his way. Get in the legs or arms, you can't use them. What about hitting in balls? Then he lost his balls. Nice.
Let the games begin.
Kill him, right? Yeah, you got duel to the death.
Come here.
Come on. All right, ready? Wait, ready. Oh. Look at Ronnie.
Can't show it. No.
In real life, I'll throw it.
Now he's dead. You're dead. No, you're dead. That didn't count.
I would have killed your Hurry back, Ronnie.
Don't
worry about
check it out. Y'all can keep the damn gun and just give me some food and water and we'll call it even.
They already have the gun.
That makes me think you still have weapons on you.
That makes me still think you have a pistol.
Yeah, you don't have enough. Alright, cool.
Hit!
Yeah, I got one.
Trying to tempt me to get out.
I'm good.